Hi friends, hope you are enjoying our Pandas tutorial. We are almost covered the all important functions of reading and writing or importing, exporting data to our data frame. And previously we have checked how we will generate the HTML files or the tables taken from data frame. So now we'll learn about read HTML. Read HTML, by using that we can take out data from a local HTML file, means data means the tables, and we can pick up tables from a remote URL also. And while doing that, this time while read HTML will give us a list of data frames. The reason is a single page can have a multiple tables also. We can create the first table or second table, we can use it and create the data frame. So all data frame objects will be available as a list for us. So list to first element, second element, like that also we can get it. So we'll start our read HTML. We are in our Colab platform. Here we will try with a URL. So first import Pandas as PD. So library is available. Next line I am going df and l, because this time we are not going to get directly a data frame object or Pandas object. We are going to get a list of data frame objects. So I am giving the name df underscore l. So now let's say pd dot read. This is pd.read HTML. Fine. Now inside this, I am going to use a URL or an address of or a link. Here it is. So this is a particular site where from where we'll pick up a table and read the data and convert it to a data frame. Note that what you are getting is an element of a list. Means this list contains all the data frames, because there will be multiple tables on this page also, may have. So to access the first object or the first data frame, we have to use the first element. So for that, df equal to, I have to set df l 0, because it's a list and I am accessing the first element. I will get the data frame. Say there are multiple tables are there, then 1, 2, 3, like that. We'll see the example after this, and let's just have a look at this particular URL. This is the page. So at the top there is a tabular data or a structured data is there. So this we should be able to pick up, and subsequently some text is there. Got the data frame. Now let's print the top 5 rows. So we'll say head equal head. So by default it is the top 5 rows. We can give any number you want. So here it is. You can see here it has picked up it has picked up all the data, but we are displaying the 5. From our local file system or from the internal URLs also we can pick up that. So for that, what we are going to do is we'll upload our student HTML file. So I'm just to our session drive. We are always doing that. So inside this, where is my HTML is my student file. It is a same one. Okay, warning message. Here it is. You can just double click and see the code here. Here you can see that ID mark. Okay, it's a very small one. Only 3 rows are there. Whatever it is a sample table. So now to this, what we are going to do is this will pick up as a data frame, will collect it. So we'll say df underscore l equal to pd dot read HTML. Now here this time I am giving my HTML, because, and if you are using it in your local system, say C drive or D drive, then my directory name, then the complete path you may have to give. So that way it will pick up that. So now I am pointing to the session storage. Here it is. So I have got the data frame. Now df equal to, here also df underscore l. So first element, so 0th element. Now I will say print, directly I will printing all the data. So let's just see. Yeah, it has picked up from here. So only 2 rows are there. Whatever it is, the data is there, it will pick up and display. In this URL, there are multiple tables. You can see if you scroll down, here is one tabular data. So then you can see one more table below, then one more, like that many tables are there. How we will pick up based on which table you want, are all the tables, and which you can segregate further. Let me close this, then add one more code block. Here I am. Now again df underscore L, because I'll be getting a list, equal to pd dot read HTML, and I am pasting the URL what you have seen now. Now here I will use one option, that is match. So I am saying that you match it. Let's match to operator. Match equal to operator. Now what happens is, in this you can see here there is a operator here, it is written operator here. All others don't have that operator. So let's just I hope it will pick up that only. So now let me do the df equal to df underscore L. Now again 0. Now print df. So let's run this and see. This is web scraping and I am picking up there. You can see that it has picked up the operator one. So let me just copy this, paste it here. I will comment this line. Now we'll go for one more line. So one more means, okay, let's match the something else instead of operator. So I am saying MySQL database, because there is a table. We will see that there is a table having this. So let's run this. Yeah, you can see manage MySQL database SQLite. Now here it is. If you search for that, here you can see there are this table have this 2 rows are only there. So that's why it's picking up that. Now let me just again one more. I will paste it this line. I will comment it this line. Now here I will say Django. So now there is a table containing that. So let's run this. Yeah, you can see it's picked up that table. So you can see here NumPy, or I think it's at the top, operators, boolean, string, Python basics. Where is my Django database installation, PyGSeeds, NumPy, PyTrain. Here it is, this Django. See, this has picked up from here from this table. So this word is there here. So this has picked up this particular table. We'll compare it. First starts with boolean var, ends with pillow. So let's just come here. You can see it started with boolean var and ended with pillow. It has picked up. It has picked up based on this particular word. So one more example will go. Let's paste this, comment this line. You can try different URLs using this. Let me say PySit. So this is one more is there. Already that table is there. So you will get this. Let's add one more code block and understand the attributes. What is the attribute? Because in our HTML table, we will have different attributes. So like ID, class, and it should be a valid HTML attribute that we are going to use. So what I am going to do is mydict. Now again, I will say that, okay, I am giving a dictionary of all the attributes. I am starting with one. I will say, sorry, it had to ID. ID is one of the important, because table IDs we create it. So now in the previous tutorial, while creating the HTML table also, we have assigned one ID. So that's a valid attribute. I am giving TB1. This must be there. So this attribute, when I am using it, so I will go to again to sitemap. This I will copy, paste it here. No match here. I am writing it here attribute. So I will say my attribute is 80. Sorry, where I am here. attrs attributes equal to mydict. My dictionary I am picking up. That means it will search for that and match it and return me. So the rest of the lines I will just copy that, paste it here. Let's see. Yeah, you can see it has picked up the attribute whatever TB1. If you want to see that, what is TB1, you can go here. I am pressing Control U. Control U means view source. Control F. So TB1. Here it is. You can see this particular table has the attribute TB1, ID equal to TB1 is already there. So that based on that it is picking up. Let us come back here. Now what happens that once you have a attribute like this, you can even give a class also. So let's change this to class. But what happens, multiple tables will have a same class, because usually the class, let me give that, because this is a bootstrap 4 class, so it is frequently used. So more tables have this stripe. So all the tables are in fact have this class. So let's mind it. So let me run this, but here you will get more. Let's see. Fine, because we have gone to 0th element, so we are picking up 1. Now I am going to second table. So I am given here 1 here, because it's a list, so I can keep on changing. 1 based on how many are there. 2. Fine. Let's say how many tables it has picked up. So what I will going to do is print len is the length. Now df underscore l. So this should print me the number of elements it has. That means that many tables it has picked up. So here it is 11. So 11 tables from that particular page is being collected, and one by one I can access this because this is a list. That's all, friends. Hope that you have understood this read HTML concept. And I'll request you, please visit the URL at the description and try to answer the questions given there. So that will help you in understanding better and giving you more confidence also. And my request is, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add new tutorials, and we frequently do that also. And if you have any doubts, suggestions, questions, use the comment section below to post it. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.